So, you're probably expecting a list of reasons for why you can't learn Python. That's not what this is, and you need to listen closely. Life is a series of choices. Every day you get to choose what beliefs you feed. If you consume content or entertain thoughts that focus on limitations or why you can't or why you're gonna fail, guess what grows? Your limitations. But when you feed your mind with possibilities, with success stories, with the how to's rather than the why nots, you start to see a shift, not just in what you learn, but in how you see yourself and your place in this vast, complex, beautiful world. So please, hear me out. Life is a lot like coding. I mean, it's full of ups and downs and surprises around every corner. But just like when you're learning Python, every challenge is a chance to get creative, solve problems, heck, find a new way to grow. The way we approach coding can teach us so much about handling life and its twists and turns. Listen to me. Success, whether it's in learning a new programming language, for example, or learning a new topic in school, or pursuing a career, or even just personal growth in general. Success in those ways is never handed to us. It's built through consistent effort, resilience, and a positive mindset. The proverbial blood, sweat, and tears. Think about this. Every single person that you admire, every role model who seems to have reached their pinnacle in their field, they are at the top of their game. They've all faced setbacks and failures. What sets them apart is not that they lack failure. It's their response to it. Life's biggest lessons often come from those failures. They come from facing tough times. Kind of like how fixing a tricky bit of code needs patience, a good plan, and maybe trying out different fixes until something works. Just as we learn and get better each time we solve a coding problem, dealing with life's challenges helps us grow and get stronger. It's about the journey, learning from our mistakes, getting back up when we stumble, and becoming wiser and tougher from the experience. The journey you're on, whether you're learning Python or navigating the complexities of life, is a testament to your potential and your capacity for growth. Believe in yourself, push beyond your perceived limits, and watch as doors open to possibilities you could never imagine. The path to success in coding and in life is paved with lessons learned. It's paved with relationships built and a relentless belief in your ability to overcome and thrive. Remember, the greatest stories of success are not just victory. They are stories of resilience. They're stories of learning and the journey of transformation. Let your story be one of those. A story of resilience, a story of perseverance, a story of failing and then getting back up and trying again. You've got everything it takes right inside of you. Believe in that. Believe in that with all you have. Believe in it fiercely.